What's up, everybody? Matt Steinman here. Going to quickly show you how to connect your Facebook pixel inside your ClickFunnels page. And there's a couple different places where you have to install the pixel code that you get over from your Facebook business page. So hopefully you have that already set up, and hopefully you already have a ClickFunnels account with either a funnel setup or a shared funnel. So as you can see here, I have a couple of shared funnels. I'm going to click on into this one here. This one has a couple different steps in it, as you can see. So we're going to go over into the settings here, which is where your main pixel code is going to be installed. You can see I already tested this out here a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this code. So this is where your Facebook pixel code goes into this head tracking code inside your funnel. So let's jump over to the Facebook side of things. So under the events, just click on this little hamburger menu here. And if you don't see the pixel over here, just click on all tools and everything. The navigation will come up over here. So just click on pixels. And I already had one set up, but you might see a different page here on the front. But nonetheless, it'll have a button down here at the bottom that says something about setup pixel or something like that. So I'm just going to jump into this one real quick and show you where to get the code. This is kind of a brand new test account, so that's why there's nothing in here. So we're going to go under this setup tab here and say install pixel. Click on this manually install pixel code yourself. And then scroll down here to, you don't need anything with this number 1 here. So your main focus here is on number 2. So just single click this code. You don't have to worry about anything, what's inside there. Everything is good coming from Facebook. So we're going to jump on back to ClickFunnels. We're going to paste this inside the head tracking code, and make sure you guys scroll all the way to the bottom. This is where the save and update settings are. Kind of weird that the button's all the way at the bottom, but that's what it is. So your Facebook pixel code is installed. Now you can have separate, let's click continue here. You can have different events that you can track. So if you have several funnels or several pages in your funnel, you can add certain events to those pages. So if you had a cart, if you have a purchase thank you page, that means somebody purchased, you can add a purchase code, tracking code on that page. So let's say we want to add this view content tracking code. So we're going to come down here and just copy this to clipboard, single click, head back over to ClickFunnels, and say we want to track the people who hit this sales page here. So click on the sales page step inside the funnel. Now we're going to go into actually edit the page, and we're going to put the tracking code inside the header. So we come up here to the settings, and then select tracking code, and then make sure it's on the header code. It defaults to the header code, but we're just going to copy and paste that view content code in there. Click on the X, and we're going to save it. And let's jump back into the funnel steps. So that one is good. Now say we want to add a purchase event. We can come down here, click on single click to copy to the clipboard, head back on over to ClickFunnels, and let's say this order confirmation page, that means that they went through the previous pages and actually ordered. So we want to flag them as purchase. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go into edit the page, go under the settings here and tracking code, and we're just going to paste that code in here. So each one of the, make sure we save that. Each one of the events can be added to a single page. One other thing you want to make sure is that your Facebook pixel is installed. We're just going to click done here. There is a test events over here. So if you open up your website into a new window, inside the same Chrome window or whatever, Firefox, whatever you're using, I recommend Chrome. You can actually open up the website and see activity here. So if you don't see any activity here, that means your pixel is not installed properly. One other thing I would recommend is getting the Chrome Facebook Pixel Helper plugin or extension, I should say. It'll help you. It'll let you see what is installed, so you can see page view. The pixel is installed properly. So that'll help you out when you are making sure your pixel is installed properly. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will respond and help you out wherever I can. Thanks, guys. See you on the next video.